Our friend Candice is doing the curry goat Trinidad style. Here how it is. Oh my gosh, I can smell it. So they do it outside so it doesn't get too hot. You get all the curry into the oil. Oh my gosh, I can smell it. So they put it with the natural gas. Now I can't tell you all the spices, it's just a curry goat spice. And there's the goat, ready to go in the pot. We're going to have a real celebration, Trini time. We're going to be liming with everybody here. And we can't wait for the goat curry to be ready.
Right. We're not trying.
There's Gabi too. And Ponce is getting ready for the action. So everything right now is cooking before we're going to put the goat in it. So it's a goat curry spices. What else is in the spice here, Kevin? Whole bunch of stuff. Guys, I can't tell you the recipe. It's a secret Trini recipe. I'm sure it's hot the way in and it's hot the way out. So Pam is using a special stirring technique because the curry is drying. But we gotta make sure it doesn't dry. I'll find out the ingredients pretty soon when Candice come out. I'm gonna ask her. Look at the concentration. So Candice is gonna say all the ingredients we're putting in. So this
Green seasoning.
okay, pre-seasoning?
Yeah. Curry powder.
Okay.
And char masala and jeera.
Okay.
Right. So when it's at the fry back like how it was,
Yeah.
then we'll throw the meat.
So ready to throw the meat now?
Making sure that the curry is fried properly so that you wouldn't get diarrhea. When you don't cook your curry properly, that's how it does end up. Yeah. And curry or fried curry, whatever you call it.
I do some kind of thing, but not like that one.
And Dominic, the sous chef, it's back there.
Salad in a while.
He's going to make the salads today. We have a pretty festive atmosphere. There's always something primitive standing around a pot that is boiling. It's a big event. You see now the curry is already kind of start solidifying a little bit. And we're going to put the goat in. Do you fry it or you cook it with it?
Huh?
You fry the goat?
No, that's just going in there raw. You fry
Oh.
it up and then you put water.
Oh, there's a juice inside the goat. Okay.
Right.
So there it is. It's all mixed now with the spices. How long will it take to get ready?
About an hour.
So in an hour,
Make it
waiting.
soft. Very soft.
Oh my gosh, the smell is so good.
And it have a secret ingredient in it, right?
Secret.
White oak.
Oh, it's got white oak rum in it. That's a secret ingredient. I guess it takes that goat meat taste, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, good stuff. I can't wait to taste it. Okay. So now we have a chicken curry stew. Now, Candice's secret recipe, in the goat stew she puts rum. In this one she put the black label. Oh my gosh, it gotta be good. Black label Scotch whiskey. So she put it in. Now she's
Sugar. So burn sugar, like if you're stewing meat.
so you're putting the sugar in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like if you're gonna burn
So you're gonna caramelize the sugar?
Yeah, not too dark and not too light.
Okay. Okay, now the sugar got caramelized.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't want it too black.
She doesn't want the sugar too black, so she's gonna put the curry in it. Wow, look at, oh my God, smells delicious. This is a traditional Trini chicken curry stew.
Very Virginia.
And you gotta have the music beat to make it right, right?
Yeah.
So what is this thing?
Green seasoning.
Green seasoning. What is in it? Like cilantro?
Cilantro and celery, pimento and
Okay. So it's got green seasoning, cilantro, pimento, celery. So it's really hot and flavorful.
Yeah.
Okay. So you let it stew for a little bit, stir it. Okay.
And this is really base of your food.
The base for the food, okay.
So this have to dry it down like how it was outside.
So we're gonna get it to cook it a little bit and dry, and then we're gonna put the chicken in it. So go ahead. So the pot has to be a steel, cast iron. Gotta make a certain noise. That's it, you see? It sounds like a bell.
It sounds like a bell.
Now he's gonna put
Sounds like a bell.
the chicken, mix it well. How long is it gonna take, Ken?
Turn this up and cook it.
How long is it gonna take?
Roughly an hour and a half.
An hour and a half, it should be ready. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, all the good food.
Because we want it soft. That just, we don't want that just to fall out.
Yes.
No, that just to fall out.
That's it. The meat has to be really soft. So it's gonna take about an hour and a half
When you don't fall
to get cooked.
it goes free.
And it has to be done in a special cast iron pot. Now as you can see, there is even the legs of the chicken there. Chicken feet. Pick one, huh?
Yeah, this one here.
Wow, look at that. I've never had chicken feet before. The first one for me. Trini food. It looks delicious. I don't know about the feet though. But I'll try them. Everything's ready. Oh my gosh, look at this. They look delicious. Curry goat right here. And then we have curry stew chicken. And here's my plate. Wow, I'm so hungry. Thank you, Candice. You're an amazing chef.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. So the curry goat and chicken was amazing. My lips are burning. And then Candice and Kevin, they gave me the chicken food. Never had in my life. So I'm gonna try it. It's a good thing I had a couple of drinks, so I'm not gonna mind it too much. So here it goes. You know, I gotta say, it's not bad. It's delicious. I mean, it doesn't have a lot of meat, but it tastes good. Yeah, it's good. I recommend it. As long as you get over the idea it's a chicken food. Good stuff. Thank you guys. Another experience.
Finish up?